Hi, sex is a most interesting subject to all ages of this mankind. I have always felt that three letters SEX brings in a twinkle, brings in a smile. People are eager, people are interested in listening to it, seeing it, and talk about it. Of course, talking is hush hush. It's in their inner circle only they will discuss. When a person attains the age of 13, a boy feels that excitement in him. There is physical change in his body. He gets an erection. He experiments. He gets a happy ending. It's like putting a newborn puppy into the water, it starts swimming. Similar to that is the teens or the boys' experience. It's so exciting the first time, and continuously it's exciting till that boy becomes a man and goes back to the Mother Earth. Similar situation with the females. The girls, they attain puberty, many experiment, many are shy, many are curious. Eventually, everybody is interested. We know it is a truth that sex exists, but nobody wants to talk about it. Whether it's in the East or in the West, the degree of approach to the matter remains varied, but always that hesitation continues. Children are thrown to the wolves. The unscrupulous business people take advantage of the innocence of all these young people. Take it from me, a boy of 10, 11, 12, 13, or a girl, to whatever age they live, 70, 80, 90, are interested in some kind of sexual activity. Why this? The answer is very simple. We are all born out of sex energy. Naturally, it flows in your system, the body, and you are interested in it. But then, why all this problems created by the elders of the society? The parents, the teachers, the leaders, they put so many blocks. They have also gone through the youth. They have seen all this. They forget all that. They think only in purely a moralistic approach. Again, we do not know what is moral, what is immoral. The children are thrown to the wolves. The intensity of sex is so high, even a man of 60, 70, if his situation changes from his normal activity with his wife, let us assume for a minute the wife is replaced by another lady, the excitement is so high, the expectations are very high. When this is a case of an oldie, no offense meant, we are all oldies, old people, fine. Let's enjoy, no issue. But take the varying degree or the intensity of for a young man who has not seen anything, who has not felt anything. There is a change in the body of a female, there is a change in the body of the male. They are so excited. Why not we tell them about it? Make them understand. You are now growing up, 13, 14. You will become 20, 21. That's that stage where you will be totally grown. Your body is totally fit. All your organs have reached that final peak stage. Your mind is clear. You have finished your education. For the most of the people, higher education is a different issue. But the majority finish graduation, university, that's it. They go for a job to earn money to take care of themselves and their family. Wife, children, mother, father, whatever the situation is. The bulk of the society, when they reach that age of 21, till then, have caution. Please control yourself by using the denial method. Think, count many times before you take a decision. Build up that maturity in you. I am very sure all the youngsters are very, very mature. They need to be given a ground, they need to be made to understand the reason for them to be well protected. If they understand this, I am very confident they will deny themselves of that excitement of life. Of course, there is always that self gratification is there. There are many experiences which are beyond our control could happen in isolated cases. But all said and done, by practicing, by inculcating a bit of discipline, a bit of proper thinking, I am very confident all the children can avoid many pitfalls and avoid many repercussions in contacting deadly disease of AIDS, HIV, and so on and so forth by practicing diligence, by denying themselves for a very temporary period of indulging in free sex. Once they are ready for it, to take the responsibility, let them go all out and have fun. No issues. I am confident children will understand what is this and they will definitely do the suitable act in their life.